Hello. Welcome back to school. Well, at least you can tell what it is. This is very, very, very hot. I wonder what that thing there is. Oh, it must be a broccoli. That was good. Oh no, I think I have a carrot in there. Okay, I'm gonna eat that. There. Now I think it's all gone. That was very good. Okay. The one thing that I really don't like about the new setup is I have a lot more homework than I did last time. Because we're now doing a subject 3 days a week, that's like 1, 2, 3 days that teacher can add on homework, like non-stop. So this is what I've got going on. So that's what we did. But the homework, to be fair, I've still got this up here. So I have to copy out class errors. Well, I have to copy out the problems and then do the corrections correctly because I got them wrong. So I got to do those. And then from whatever the 16th was, obviously I have to do all the work from before. And then I have a whole bunch more stuff up here. These are all the errors I got wrong in class. And I don't know why. I think my brain was just not with it. Because that's a lot more than I normally get wrong. And yeah, it looks like I have to have my stuff done by 22nd. What is this? September 17th. Oh, that was what we did for class. Okay, so yeah, these are my notes from that. We're talking about 1 foot in an inch. Okay, so I think to help me understand or to do something productive that's not like hard work, I think I'm just gonna do the copy work and then I'll see how I'm doing. I might do the flashcards. I have a bunch of lessons out of this book, and I think if I split them up, I think there's 8 lessons I counted. So if I split them up by 4, I can do half today and half tomorrow. And then that will conclude that. But that's a lot of... I mean, look at all this stuff. That's a lot of copy work. Oh yeah, we started doing these things too. Oh wait, these ones are longer. No, are these ones 3? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, those are 3. We started adding 3-column numbers. They're not as... I don't think they're as fast, but I don't have to draw many strikes on the board. Teacher can add them a lot faster than I can. He had lots of practice. I don't know what that is. What is that? I like to read things like this. Word to be supplied by pupil. Okay. Good thing I read that. And then that page I have to do There's another blurb. I'm not gonna read it though. And then this page I think I have to do. I haven't ran into 13s yet, have I? No. And this is the last page. There's a lot of copy work in this. So, that is on my slate for arithmetic. So, I'm going to do all the copy work that I have to do not late, they're not late yet. All the errors for class. I don't know what numbers these are, because they're not numbered. But I'll just write down the date from when I got them wrong. Then he'll better understand them. And I'll just copy them in my book. That's what I'm going to do right now. Oh, I don't have my wristwatch. I started this about, I think it was like at 11? No, it was 12. It was just 12 o'clock. So this is what I did. My arm is gonna fall off. My head really hurts right now. I did 3 pages. My neck hurts too. I'll be getting that fixed in a couple days. I don't know where my tab is. My blue tab. So this page I did. And that page I did. And this page I did. I was hoping to get to this page also, but my head is not doing well. So I've got a major tension headache right now. So here is my notebook. Let's see. Okay. So I did all the copy work. I think I still need to do flashcards or recitation, but I don't know. Let me see here. So that's copy work. I don't understand why he's got 2 sets of... Some of these numbers are the same. Oh well, I guess I'll do them twice. Those are flashcards. Is one of them a recitation table? I don't know. I'll need to check. I'll need to check on this one here. Because I've got 2 10s, 2 11s, and 2 12s. So, yeah, I need to figure that out. So I still need to do flashcards. And I did these copy works. So that's copy work, that's done. So it looks like I just have to finish my textbook pages, or whatever they call that, and my flashcard thingies. I need to figure out why there's 2 things in there. But here's the actual written work. So this is all the copy work. Beautiful. And there's more over there too. I think I'm gonna color that in. And then over here, I have more copy work. It's hard to tell. I'll actually zoom out on this. Okay. Now you guys can see it better. And then here, this is when the lessons begin, about the midway to the page. And I hope I have them all filled out. I'm gonna go back through this and double check when my headache goes away. I think they're all filled out. I hope he can read this. And then this is lesson 8. Oh, it's exercise 6. Thought these were lessons, but these are exercises. There's another book I worked through that has lesson pages. I got bored. And then here's the page I did just now. All the whiteout is me trying to get this to line up right, so I don't waste paper. This one was long. And like some of these I have reminders, but I didn't write them in. I don't even know if I did. I've got issues with fractions. I'm not good at those. I just wrote down, generally I just wrote down the whole number. I think that should be okay. We'll probably work through fractions again. And that concludes my arithmetic with some Latin lines because I got bored. On top of that, this whole area was blank. And I just I gotta find something to put in there. So yeah, that's it I wrote. So that concludes what I'm gonna work on for arithmetic right now. I'm gonna go to bed and maybe my headache will feel better. It'll be gone tomorrow. And I can finish this up. And hopefully I can get to my keyboard work either behind me or maybe at the organ. I don't know. We'll see how I feel tomorrow. I've got a nasty pulling on my head and it's just not working out right now. So that is pretty much the arithmetic that I've done, and I don't know what time it is. Let me see. It's like 17:44. So most of the time was spent copying out the problems, and then the other part of it was actually filling in the answers, because that's how I do my arithmetic. I copy it in the book, and then I go back and I fill them in my little notebook. Okay, so that concludes arithmetic. I hope you guys have a good night, and I'm gonna go to bed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget, ring the notification bell for all notifications.